This is الدرس السادس of كتاب أدوات الربط, and here we are with تمرين واحد, drill 1 in unit 6. So we're going to place قبل أن, قبل or بعد أن or بعد in each of the slots, in each of the empty spaces where they are appropriate. I'm going to explain some of the meanings of each of these sentences so that you can better place قبل أن, قبل, بعد أن, and بعد in the spaces. Now remember, قبل أن is used before a verb, and قبل is used before a noun, a masdar. Similarly, بعد أن is used before a verb, and بعد is used before a masdar. So, number 1, سيكتب مقدمة كتابه الجديد blank يرسله للطبع. So here, he's going to write the introduction of his new book, blank, he sends it to the printer. سوف أقابله blank عودته من أمريكا لأستمع إلى تقريره عن مباحثاته هناك. So I will meet him, blank, his return from America, to hear his report about his findings there. 3, ألغي النظام الملكي في مصر. The system of kingship was eliminated in Egypt, blank قيام ثورة 23 يوليو 1952, blank the revolution of 1950 of July 23rd, 1952. سيعود إلى Washington, he will return to Washington, blank يكمل مباحثاته في باريس. Okay, blank, he completes his findings or his research in Paris. Number 5, عاد إلى Washington, he returned to Washington, blank أكمل مباحثاته في باريس, blank, he completed his research in Paris. 6, blank يبدأ مباراته مع خصمه كان عليه أن يتدرب كثيرا. So blank, he began his match with his opponent. It was necessary for him to train a lot. 7, كتب إليها رسالة, he wrote a letter to her, blank his getting out of prison, خروجه من السجن يقول فيها إنه قد تاب, saying in it that he had repented. 8, blank فجر ذلك اليوم استطاع أن يرتكب جريمته في الظلام. So blank the sunrise, or like first light. So blank first light, that day he tried to commit his crime in the dark, in the complete dark. اشتغل بزراعة, he worked in زراعة, in agriculture, blank أنهى خدمته العسكرية, he completed his military service. تناول طعام العشاء, he ate dinner, blank ينام, blank نصف ساعة. So here you're going to use a preposition, okay? So you're going to have one of the قبل أن or بعد أن before ينام, but then you're going to have a preposition here that indicates in, okay? And then remember, there are two prepositions that can mean in, fi or be, okay? So you're going to put something there which is a preposition. Number 11, اتصل بالبوليس, he contacted the police, blank اكتشافه السرقة, his discovering the robbery, or that something had been stolen. 12, طلقها blank الزواج, he divorced her, blank marriage, and then again here you're going to put a preposition, شهرين, 2 months, right? So I hope that helps. مع السلامة.